Hello my dear friends, hope you're having a wonderful and a productive day. Today I have brought a new video for vocabulary. Today I have brought the words which are useful for you, helpful for your English and interesting and easy to learn. Let's see what they are, and do learn these words very sincerely if you really want to learn English. Got it? Let's see what we have here. Number 1, ajar. Number 2, allocate. Number 3, commit. Number 4, bald. Number 5, don't. Let's see their Hindi pronunciation and their meanings. Ajar. Allocate. It's not allocate, it's allocate. Commit. It's not commit, ये है commit. Number 4, bold. It's not bald, it's not bald, bold. Last, don't. It's not don't, it's don't. Correct? Let's see their Hindi meanings and understand the sentences. Ajar. Number 1, ajar. It means आधा खुला, half opened, not closed, ना open, थोड़ा सा खुला बस. Keep the door ajar. Door को आधा खुला रखो. Got it? Number 2, allocate. It means बांटना, distribute करना, or we can say ठहराना. ये भी meaning हो सकता है. He found a good way to allocate this. उसे एक अच्छा आइडिया मिला या फिर अच्छा रास्ता मिला इसको बांटने के लिए, distribute करने के लिए. Got it? Number 3, commit. It means करना. कोई भी काम हम करते हैं, कुछ भी करना. He committed a crime and got punished. उसने कोई भी गलत काम किया. Crime means गलत काम. He committed a crime and got punished. उसने कोई गलत काम किया और उसकी वजह से वो punish हुआ. Got it? Number 4, bold. It means निडर या साहसी. Strong, brave, शक्तिशाली. An officer is a bold person who sacrifices for us. एक ऑफिसर एक साहसी इंसान होता है जो हमारे लिए sacrifice करता है. Officer means army officer or police officer, whatever officers. Number 5, don't. It means डराना, to scare, बहुत डराना. Okay. Problems can't daunt me. Problems मुझे डरा नहीं सकती है because I'm a bold person. So problems can't daunt me because I am a bold person. I can face the problems. मुझे पता है कि उनको कैसे face करना है, इसलिए problems मुझे डरा नहीं सकती है. Got it? I hope these were best and easy words for you. Let's take a quick summary. Ajar. It means आधा खुला. Allocate. It means बांटना या ठहराना. Commit. It means करना या फिर सौंपना, कोई भी काम करना या सौंपना. Number 4, bold. It means निडर या साहसी. Number 5, don't. It means डराना. किसी को scare करना या फिर डराना. Got it? I hope these were best and easy words for you. Now let's move to the full forms. So friends, here we are with the full forms. You have to give the answer of India. What is the full form of India? Because we must know we are living in India. We are living in this country. So we must know what is the full form of our country. अपन की इंडिया की full form क्या है ये बतानी है. And second full form we have to find Google. Because Google हर जगह यूज़ होता है, हर कोई Google को यूज़ करता है. तो Google की भी full form आपको पता होनी चाहिए. Correct? तो Google and India. You must know the full forms and you have to tell me the answers in the comment below. Okay? I hope you give the correct answers. So bye-bye. Thank you. Take care. Hope you're having a wonderful day, productive day, awesome day.